Hello guys, my name is Andrew. I'm unbox this.
I'm gonna unbox this.
I first unboxed that Disney 3.0.
And who is it?
Kylo Ren.
Or Ben Solo? Right? Isn't his name Ben Solo?
No.
Yeah, his name is Ben Solo. Dude.
Hey.
Let's get a close-up on it. There's a close-up. Wanna give away the code or not?
Nope.
I might need to censor the code if you give away the code. If I can do that. And where's the card? Where's the card? Hey, give me the card. So this is the card.
It's
the card. Yeah.
It's this
Piece of cake on
like.
And then
looks like.
And then this is the back. This is the back. I don't want to give away the code because I might steal everything.
Oh wait,
Look at that light.
Unboxed now.
And now, boom, close up on Kylo Ren.
And Darth Vader.
Well,
I got it. You cut my arm.
Yeah. So this is from the new movie, The Force Awakens. He is actually Han Solo's son, Ben Solo. So look at his mask. In the movie, we can see him take it off. And they will reveal his true face. Let's see if nope. So anyways, the next one is behind him.
This bow and arrow. Whoa!
What? Come on, give me this bow thingy.
Oh wait, this stick.
Those stick? Do those stick? Do those stick?
Stick on a target.
Yep. Anyways, give it to me. Give it to me. I'll try it out. I'll try it out. I'll try it out.
Target now.
Try it out.
Your target now. You're a target.
Am I the target?
This is target.
How do you put it on?
This is target looks like. This is target looks like. Look at it.
Oh, now I got it. Now I got it. No. God, this is difficult.
This is target.
Ay. This is hard.
This is target looks like.
It's hard to aim it. Not lying, it's hard to aim it.
This target looks like.
Yeah, this is the target. Air store. So you can fold it. You can fold it in half, I think. Yeah, you can fold it in half. Or something. There. You can fold it in half. So, boom. Andrew, shoot it over. Isn't it hard to do it?
Yeah. Oh, you forgot my twistables.
Wait, what? You got new twistables as well?
Yeah.
Get it. Get it then. I'm gonna get it in my stick figure. No. So here's my stick figure if you're wondering. Here's my stick figure I made a few days ago. There it is. Boom, look at that mouth. I'm supposed to be doing homework right now. Unbox
wait,
it.
there's a sticker on it.
There's no sticker on it? Oh, there it is. 19.99 and Smith's.
Yeah.
And it's taped on here real tight. Yeesh. There. Here, I took it off. Here, unbox it. No action of me in this video because it's his birthday.
Yeah.
Oh. Open your mouth and we'll ride. Ah! I can see your one tooth. You have 2 teeth. Ah, you have more teeth. Oh, what's in my... Stupid sticker.
Oh wait, I got the lot twist.
I'm gonna shoot. So
Twist
I'm
the
recording this.
balls.
Ooh,
Twist the balls.
goodies. Let's see. You can imagine every color of these.
Yeah. They're yellow, a lot color.
Sorry about that.
Oh! Oh! What?
Aren't you gonna put it in your bag?
What?
Let's shoot some targets, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot this ball. I'm gonna shoot a ball right here. I'm gonna shoot this ball. Where's that ball? Where's that ball? Ball. If you can't see what the ball is, it's this ball. You might recognize it if you're in Ireland. Yikes. Get down there. And Dad, peace out, camera. Peace out.
Peace out. Bow, 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 bow.
That's copyrighted. Hey.